In today's world, AI is everywhere. From creating content like driving, from answering questions to creating art, AI is everywhere. So the question, can AI replace humans, is very simple, but its answer is not that simple. AI can cause the loss of some jobs. It can do simple data entry work, provide customer support, and do some calculations. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't sleep, and it does any work faster than humans. So the question, can AI replace humans? It's not possible because there's one thing that AI cannot do. Possible. Human emotions, creativity, intuition, and moral thinking. AI can generate information, but it cannot understand pain, love, or hope. AI cannot understand human struggles the way humans can. A teacher doesn't just teach, it builds future. A doctor doesn't just treat the patients, gives hope. In the same way, a leader doesn't just give orders, he inspires people. So instead of asking, can AI replace humans, a better question can be, can humans work with AI to build more powerful future? So the future is not human versus AI. The future is human plus AI. Those who will adopt AI will succeed, and those who resist will fall behind. Remember one thing, AI is not just a tool. It is a tool, but humans are the creator of this tool.